Well, hello, my name's Bruce Wade. Now, this time of year, traditionally, everyone going on about setting goals and all that shit. Okay, now, yes, setting goals is important and getting it done and levels of this, and you're going to see so many of these short little videos on how to set goals. Okay, I want you to watch them because it's important, but I want to add another thing. Now, those of you who have still got marbles, all right, some people lost them and maybe you're never going to get them back, but they sell them at the crazy store. But I want you to go and get marbles, and I want you to go put them in a jar. And I want you to take your marbles and associate them with a goal. Now what we've done here is I've got a set of marbles. There's 130 marbles in here, and each one of them is linked to a specific activity that me and my wife have planned. No, not that activity. It's got to do with exercise. Yes, walking exercise. So what we're going to do is every time we go on a walk, we take a marble out of the to-do list and we put it in the done list. And we transfer the marbles from to-do to done. Therefore, we can then count and be motivated and be held accountable for what is left over for this year. There are now 128 marbles left because we've done 2 walks already this year. It sits on, I don't know, the kitchen windowsill, the bathroom. So every day you look at the to-do list and you go, oh, I'm still motivated by marbles. We call this the marble motivation method, and I want to share that with you. So go and find your marbles and get motivated.